In the therapy world, change has often been defined by depth. Dig deeper, go back further, uncover the root. Traditional talk therapy is built on the belief that transformation comes from insight. From understanding the origin of pain, dissecting patterns, and tracing problems back to their source. The therapist is often a guide into the past, helping the client make sense of their story. This can be powerful, even life-changing. But it's not the only path. Solution-focused therapy offers a radically different paradigm. It's not built on the past, it's built on what's next. Instead of diving into dysfunction, SFT looks for sparks of success. Instead of treating the therapist as the expert, it sees the client as the author of their own future. Let's compare. In traditional therapy, the session might begin with, "Tell me about your childhood." In SFT, we might begin with, "What would you like to be different in your life?" In traditional therapy, the goal is insight. In SFT, the goal is movement, however small, however subtle. Traditional therapy often involves diagnosis, treatment plans, and long timelines. SFT works in the now. It asks, "What's better since last time?" What small steps have you noticed? This is more than just a difference in pace. It's a complete shift in philosophy. In traditional models, problems are often seen as deeply rooted, requiring time and exploration. In SFT, problems are viewed as context-dependent, not permanent, not all-encompassing. Clients are seen as already capable of change, often already doing it. The question is not, "Why are you broken?" It's, "Where is the evidence that you're already healing?" And while traditional therapy may explore trauma in depth, SFT is trauma-sensitive in a different way. By not requiring re-exposure. By focusing instead on strength, stability, and the future the client wants to live in. That doesn't mean SFT avoids emotion or complexity. It means it handles them with precision and respect, asking only what's needed to move forward. The result? Many clients experience change faster. They feel empowered, not pathologized. They leave sessions feeling hopeful, not heavy. It's not about which model is better. Both have value, but they serve different needs and speak to different parts of the human experience. What makes solution-focused therapy a true paradigm shift is its core belief. You don't have to understand everything about your pain to begin healing. You just have to imagine what life would be like without it, and take one small step in that direction. This shift from deep analysis to strategic forward movement has transformed therapy around the world. And it continues to evolve, driven by a single powerful question: what's possible next?